Hey everyone, so I'm about to build a storage container to hold these big logs right there and a bunch other. And so I'm just going to use some scrap wood that we have all around, put it together, make it into a time lapse. So let's get to it. And there you have it. Saw me put it all together. I was gone most of the frame, cutting wood, graffining wood, things like that. But quite proud of it. Was going to put one of these big ones that I used as the base that have a cover on it. But how big it wasn't worth the real estate, so decided to just find some other alternative. Found this plywood and just threw it on there, and so I think it turned out quite well. Added a nice little beam down there sitting on that on each end, so the heavy wood would have some support, and put up these side railings and put it lower in the back so it doesn't hit the metal when we try to pull it out, if we ever do. And yeah, that was quite a little fun afternoon project. Now I need to fill it up and keep going and clean up a bit. There you go guys, filled it up. Quite proud of it, and now just cleaning up.